What's up, everybody? We're back with more DiecastMasters construction vehicles. This time we have this little puppy right here. If you think, oh, but we've seen this model before. Well, we've seen one variation of it, but not this one. DiecastMasters has two of these models, one with an open cab and one with a closed cab. This one's with the one with the open cab. Here you can see in the back they show that with the cab, even though they call it different things, with open cab and closed cab. So let's get to it and let's crack it open and see if it changes, if that's the only change, or if we get more metal. So you can see it has a nice diorama-ish looking picture in the back. It's quite nice. I really like. And let me get this off and I'll be back. And here it is. I gotta say, this model feels a lot heavier than the other one. The rollers are metal. The base right here, you can see it's an official product 164. It's also metal, and the only plastic that you see here, it's just black. There's the number. See if we can get to focus right there. Some Barney labels. Same thing on this side, and there's the cap, the controllers and joysticks and everything. Pretty cool. And the rolls, let's move this to the side. Pretty smooth. Now let's compare it to the other one. Just keep in mind that the other one, it's a lower line, if you will. It's the more simple one. So you can see here, this is plastic and the rollers are plastic, and this is metal, and that's it. Then we have the closed cab and the open cab. That's basically the only difference. And the metal, oh no, look at that, the top's also different, but they're two cool vehicles nonetheless. Yeah, this is all metal. This is pretty cool. This one's great because you can maybe put a diorama figure, like a figure right there, and sit it, and it will look awesome. We'll probably do that later. So let's put it on a display and we'll be back. So there you have it, folks. We have the vibrator roller on a display, both of them, and they look fantastic. I'm really pleased with DiecastMasters and the quality of vehicles, construction vehicles that they do, especially the CADs. They also make some Can-Am vehicles, but those are not 164. But and they also make trailers of different brands, like I think Peterbilt and Westline. But for now, I'll leave you with this view of the roller, and I hope you enjoy it. Please, as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and support the channel so we can keep bringing you more diecast of old swords. And as always, till the next one, take care.